everyone. Today we are going to have a session on different types of mechanical dryers. Before entering into the topic, first we should know what is drying. Drying is nothing but the removal of moisture content from the foods or removal of water content from the foods. In mechanical drying systems, mechanical dryers are used to remove water from the wet foods by forcing either ambient air or heated air through the wet foods. The drying process is terminated when the desired final moisture content is reached. We all know that different food products contain different moisture content. For example, if you take cereals or pulses, it will contain 20 to 25% of moisture content. If you go for the fruits or vegetables, this contain more than 80% of moisture content. So, depending upon the moisture content of the foods, the types of dryers will be decided to dry the food product. Now, let's see the types of mechanical dryers. There are different types of mechanical dryers like cabinet dryer, tunnel dryer, kiln dryer, spray dryer, drum or roller dryer, vacuum dryer. Let us see one by one. First one is the cabinet dryer or tray dryer. This picture shows the cabinet dryer. So in this you can see it contains a large wooden or metal box. The air passes through the air duct into the drying chamber and drying trays containing food is placed. The moist air is discharged through the air vents at the top of the column. As the air enters below the bottom tray, this tray will dry first. So, many of the solid food products can be dried by using the cabinet dryer. In this dryer itself, you can see the chilies are placed and even the potato rings, all those things are placed inside the cabinet dryer. Next one is the tunnel dryer. This is the modified form of the tray dryer in which oven is replaced by a tunnel. The material to be dried is entered at the one end. Through this end, the material will be entered, and through the other end, the dried material is collected from the other end of the tunnel. Next one is the kiln dryer. The kiln dryer consists of two-floor building with a burner located on the ground floor. In the second floor, the wet material is spread in an even layer that is 0.1 to 0.2 meter deep or depth. The humidified air is passed and the product is turned regularly to promote the uniform drying. So, the product should be turned then and there, then only we can get the uniform drying throughout the product. So, this for example, apple rings, apple cuts can be dried by using this kiln dryer, and we can also go for the malt preparation by using this kiln dryer. So, in this you can see two-floor building is there, and the burner will be in the ground floor and the material will be placed on the next two floors. This is the kiln dryer. Next one is the spray dryer. The foods can be spray dried by spraying the liquid into a current of dry heated air. It is generally used for drying the solutions and the slurries. For example, if you want to convert the milk in the form of the milk powder, this spray dryer can be used. All the liquid foods, not only the milk, all the liquid foods can be converted into powder form. For example, if you want to go for taking the orange concentrates or orange powders, just we can go for the spray dryers. That will be helpful for making into powders. The advantage of this spray dryers are it requires only very short time and it retains the color, flavor and nutritive value of the food. These are all the advantages of using the spray dryers, and it retains the natural color flavor of the product. So this is one of the best dryers for the liquid foods. And you can see this is the spray dryer used in the industries. and all the liquid foods can be converted into powder forms. Next one is the drum or the roller dryer. Liquid foods like purees, paste and mashers are applied in a thin layer on the surface of the revolving drum. It is used to concentrate the juices and purees of fruits and vegetables. Generally, all the juices and purees of the fruits and vegetables can be applied over the drum. See, this is the drum or roller dryer. If any juice, paste or purees can be converted into powder, means you can apply it over this drum and heat will be passed over this drum. And after the removal of the moisture from that product, automatically this flakes will be removed from the drum. So this flakes will be finally converted into powder. This is the drum or the roller dryer. For example, we can prepare the flakes and also the baby foods by using this drum or roller dryer. Next one is the vacuum drying. So vacuum drying, in this, the removal of the moisture from the food product takes place under very low pressure. This allows drying temperature to be reduced and higher quality to be obtained. Vacuum expands air and water vapor present in the food products and creates a frothy or puffed structure. It requires only very less energy and hence greater energy efficiency is there. It improves the drying rates and in some cases less shrinkage of the product will take place. So vacuum drying is one of the best drying of the fruits and vegetables. It will retain the color and the texture of the products. See, this is the vacuum dryer available in the industries. And these are all the products available in the market. Vacuum dried fruits. In this you can see mostly the color of the food products will not change. It will retain the original color of the food products. That is the most important advantage of this vacuum dryer or vacuum dried fruits. So in this session, you will come to know what is the advantages of using the different types of dryers and for what are the products, what type of dryer should be used. So from this session, I think students, you will have an understanding about the different types of dryers and definitely it will be useful for you in the future. Thank you, friends.